is we're just going to go arm behind the back.
Okay.
And then with this arm, you're going to get it right above the ear and then just go straight across this way. So hold that for about 15 to 20 seconds.
All right.
Then you just go a little bit more forward. Another 15 to 20 seconds. And then another bit forward for another 15 to 20 seconds.
Perfect.
And you can repeat that throughout the entire day. And then I would say work on these stretches as much as you can throughout the day.
Okay.
And then maybe a follow-up towards the end of the week or next week should probably be really good for you.